And if you don't like that, get lost. Cause I don't want it if it's fake, I don't want it if it's just for show, for show. I just want it if it's real, and I'm thinking I should let you know, you know. This superficial love thing got me going